My parents both had Alzheimer's, so a few years ago. So I was going different assisted living facilities, and I came across Grand Villa and got on their mailing list. And the administrator there started going back through the old mailing list and called me and started sending me information about the support group. So we attended, and last year was the first support group we went with. Linda was there and a few other people, and we've been attending them ever since with her at Grand Villa. As I said, my parents had Alzheimer's a few years ago, so I moved them down from Indiana to live with me. 3 months after I moved them in with me, he had quite a few strokes and now dementia. So I moved everybody in together, and we've been on this journey of learning the disease. Mom Alzheimer's, Dad dementia, Roland dementia. And so I just took care of all of them. My parents have since passed, and now it's just Roland and I. And so I'm taking care of him. He's at home. He's not in a facility. And when I work or I have to go someplace, he's in daycare. Other than that, we just go to support groups and seminars and learn as much as we can, taking care of each other. What I like about Linda's support group is it's not as structured or cold as some of the other support groups I've been to. And I've been going to different support groups since 1997, and even different cities, different states. And I'm a reader, so I gather information. And with this disease, the Alzheimer's dementia, the books help, but it's the communication by experience that you really learn. With Linda, she really let you speak more freely, and it wasn't so structured, as I said, and it was more than just the Alzheimer's dementia. It was a hug, caring, and it just, you didn't feel as alone as in some other groups. Plus, she sends you cards, motivational cards, and I collect clowns. I go to a support group and she said here, and she bought me a clown. She saw it and she thought of you. So with Linda starting out as, holding a support group meeting, she's turned to a friend and family. So whenever we learn anything or have ideas or information, she shares it with me, I share them with her. And we're not far from the Harmony Home Health Office. So you had a little seminar there, and then she's always emailing me with information or even motivational poems and things. So not only have I learned facts, I've learned I'm not as alone as I was before, and there's a friend there, and that means a lot during these troubled times. And everybody I meet, I tell them they have to have support group, because, and especially one like that Linda holds, it's more friends talking. It's a family talking and learning what you experienced since the last support group. How would you do this? How would you do that? And then the different programs that Harmony Home has, she presents them, but it's not pushy or in a salesperson type manner. It's here, this is available. Boom. But I'm constantly telling people, go to support group, that's how you learn. Even if you don't have to say anything, plus you have coffee and cookies. But that's the way you learn.